Faye. Yes. You Faye. In fact.
No.
I pick number 2. Alright. I agree. No, play now. But you fail.
I'll fail. Watch and see now.
See, I taught you how to play this game. But don't even think you'll be better than me. I taught you how to play the game.
Cheating. Hey, come outside. They don't bend. Come outside. It's a lie. See. Go and look for your seed. I'm not giving.
Oh.
Father. I do. James, you're welcome. Don't mind me, the lunch will soon be ready.
Father, this girl is not serious. She still has not made lunch. What in this whole wide world have you been doing? What kind of laziness and irresponsibility is this? Father, she will have to start going to the farm with us if this will continue. Look at how famished we are.
James. Father said it's okay. Why can't we just relax and wait for the couple of minutes she has?
Have you seen it?
Have you?
You're still talking.
Relax.
Why would you just grow up and be like other men you're here complaining about?
Bena! Will you shut your mouth? Go in there and do what they asked you to do. Go and rest. You see, tomorrow we won't go the same way again. This news about herdsmen destroying farmlands is quite overwhelming. So tomorrow, I don't know.
Father.
Tomorrow we'll be going to Sere.
Okay, Father.
Yes. And then James.
Yes, Father.
We'll go together.
Bena has to come with me.
James, calm down now. Bena every time.
Don't eat your food now. Sit down there. Bena.
It's okay. Eat.
Good day, Father.
Good day, Father.
I do that, James.
Father, the water is ready.
Okay, I'll get set and take my bath.
Would you want to eat anything so that I'll prepare before you go?
No. Don't worry. Thank
Uncle. I was thinking, is it not time you marry?
I've been thinking about that. I feel like it. But look at my sons. They are very ripe for marriage. But one cannot live by breast milk alone.
Uncle. You see? I don't know. I heard that Jude came to ask for your daughter's hand in marriage.
That one? Oh. You see, this thing they say that a fool at 40 is a fool forever.
You are very correct.
It's true.
Very correct.
You can imagine that old cargo coming to ask for the hand of a 23-year-old girl in marriage.
You can imagine.
Eh? I just didn't want to worry about that, because it's a bad news. It's a bad news.
That's true. A better person will come to marry our daughter.
Hey, see, now you are talking. Now you are talking. Enjoy yourself.
Thank you very much.
Hello? Hello? Is anybody here? Anybody?
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare you.
All right. That's okay.
sorry.
That's fine. That's fine. No. Wait.
Hey. No, please don't hurt me. Please. Don't send me away from my only home.
What? You call that place your home? I seems not to understand.
You don't have to see us together, please. Just go. Please. Just go.
Oh, not again. Wait now.
Adudu, all these stories of crops being destroyed by headers. A penny for your thoughts. Adudu, dance! A penny for your thoughts.
It's nothing serious. Nothing serious.
Are you alright? Have I said anything wrong?
Adudu,
Yeah, now.
welcome. Where is the fresh corn I asked you to bring for me? Where is the fresh corn I asked you to bring for me now? Adudu. You see, that is a real food in this house.
Why would a girl live in the woods all alone? No, not alone per se. She talked about being seen with me. Who? Family? Boyfriend? Friends? Who? Well, she's paranoid. Why? Could she be in some kind of trouble? But what's my business in the first place? Does it even matter? But I feel a bit under the weather. That means maybe all is not well. I will not harm you. You can count on me. Do you have a name?
Maybe you should just let the sleeping dog lie.
You can count on me. My name is Adudu. Adudu Johnson.
My name is Linda.
Oh, Linda. It's nice meeting you. But what I don't understand is, you call that place your home?
Yes, because it is my home.
Okay. Could you please trust me enough to let the cat out of the bag?
You know fit do good and expect bad, oh. It is not possible. If you do good, now good things go follow you. If you do bad, brother, now bad things go follow you. Cause what you sow,
But you said you don't want anybody to see us together. Who?
I wanted to scare you, but your courage and benevolence are too let you shake. I've been all by myself.
It is not safe for you to be alone by yourself.
No, you're wrong. You're completely wrong. This place is safer for me than that day when I'd rather die here than be forced to join my family in you as
You cannot plant maize and harvest yam. It is not possible. You know fit do good and expect bad. It is not possible. If you do good, now good things go follow you. If you do bad, brother,
Lunch.
bad things go follow you.
It's for you. I am starving, but wait. I saw this beauty. I've seen it before in Lagos. Linda, you're beautiful. I swear.
come on, stop that. You're making me blush.
That's what I mean. Okay? It's Linda, you should follow me. Please don't say no.
No,
I insist.
you don't understand. Do you? Look, where I came from, that is not allowed.
But this is not where you came from. That place is full of evil and far from home. Remember? I doubt if I can forgive myself leaving you here all alone.
You have to forgive yourself. You have to. Look, I'll be fine here. Trust me. I will. It has always been my destiny.
Linda, but...
No, but... Okay? Look, I appreciate your company. You truly made my day and I won't trade it for anything else in the world. Okay? It's getting late.
Yeah.
I'll be here for the period of my memory. Thanks again.
You know fit do good and expect bad, oh. It is not possible. If you do good, oh, now good things go follow you.
Adudu,
Yes, Father.
that's not where you are going today. Period.
No, Father. That is exactly where I will go today.
Why? Why?
I don't know why. Yes. The farm is in good shape. And the heads of cattle I saw grazing round our farm, Father. I just need to go and be sure that none of these beasts stray. Please, let me go.
Father, let him go.
Yes, Father. Let him go.
Go if you must. Go.
Yes! Thank you, Father. You're the best.
Go.
Adudu, be careful.
Good morning, Adudu. I can see you're fine this morning. Aren't you going to the farm today?
It is morning, I know. I am fine, as you can see. For the farm, I am going to the farm. But can you please tell me what I can do for once, at least for once?
The fact that I love you. I'm sure you still don't know that.
I know that one very well. And I am sure you know that I don't love you. I don't want to be rude. Keep your love. Or hug. Moreover, you can look for someone else to share this love with.
Am I not beautiful enough? Or don't I have what it takes to satisfy you?
Are you a fool? If you think love is all about the facial beauty and love making, you're wrong. And this is the more reason why you and I will never be together. Get that into your head.
You know fit do good and expect bad, oh. It is not possible. If you do good, oh, now good things go follow you. If you do bad, oh, brother, now bad things go follow you.
So you mean you don't give another man a chance in your life? Anyway, I want you to advise me on something really important. It's about Adudu.
I know, Adudu.
Do you think he will ever love me?
You see, love is not by force. Yes. And I think you should give him some space. Maybe he could fall in love with you. Just maybe you.
Hayla, I've given him all the space he wants. I just think he's seen someone else.
Maybe, maybe not. Let's just keep our fingers crossed, yeah. Something tells me he'll come back for you.
I really can't wait for him to be mine. Thank you anyways. Thank you now.
Welcome.
You're just being jealous.
Linda, this is for you.
Hold this for me.
Yes.
Wow.
At least you can change.
Thank you very much.
They are so beautiful. Thank you very much.
Adudu, all these stories of crops being destroyed by haters. A penny for your thoughts. Adudu, dance! A penny for your thoughts. Are you alright? Have I said anything wrong? You feel right? Okay.
Linda,
You're my queen now. And I will do anything for my queen. You're so beautiful.
Thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
You're so beautiful. You like them?
Yeah, sure. They are very beautiful.
You are the love of my life. The most beautiful girl I've ever seen. I love you, Mirana. I love you so much.
Really?
Yes, Mirana.
In your life, don't you ever say those words to me again.
Mirana.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. You have tried your best. I'm really sorry.
Mirana.
Hey Rosa, my friend, I've missed you. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Seriously, I've missed you. I missed you dearly. I missed your troubles.
So I'm not a troublemaker.
No. But on a serious note, this village has been so boring without you. What's especially your troubles?
It feels good to be back.
See my friend, see how you're looking, see your shoes. Let me see your hand. See this beautiful wristwatch, see your necklace. So please gist me something now.
I have lots of them at home.
Let me see this.
Hello, is the star boy? Hello, is the star boy? So that's the name boy.
What are you doing here?
What's talking?
I said, what are you doing here?
Now listen to me. When nothing is chasing a woman, that is when she will hold her two ways and start running. But when something seriously is chasing her, oh my God, you forget totally that she has breasts. You have ears. Yeah.
Advisor.
The Lolo is the fine boy. The Lolo is the fine boy.
But when something starts chasing her, she runs and forgets she has breasts.
You cannot plant maize and harvest yam. It is not possible. You not fit do good and expect bad. It is not possible. If you do good, now good things go follow you. If you do bad, brother, now bad things go follow you. Cause what you sow, the same you go reap. Waiting you sow, Benny, now the same you go reap. The good is good, the bad is bad.
Good morning, Adidu. I can see you've been working since morning, so I brought some water for you to drink. It might be thirsty.
Yes, I am thirsty. But I don't drink water from unkept girls.
You're so rude.
Young lady, the last time I checked, I never requested for water.
You're so impossible.
If you think I said anything wrong, I'm sorry. Nonsense.
Say what you want to say. Jalala doesn't have time. I'm a busy person.
Jololo, where I believe you can see very well. Please tell me, do you think Atutu will ever love my friend, Miranda?
Now listen to me. When the rhythm of a music changes, A dancer changes your dancing steps. Would you hear me? Think about it. Jalolo is a star boy.
Taylor, do you think I'm doing the right thing? Come on, talk to me. I'm your friend. I'm your sister.
Mariana, you're a very beautiful girl. Hardworking and intelligent. I no longer think Adudu is the man for you. He does not even look at you, nor try to start a conversation with you.
Can you imagine? Is that what you have to say? I thought you were going to come out with some reasonable suggestion, not what you just said.
It's not your fault, though. It's not your fault. You wanted my advice, and I gave it to you.
Why am I even seeking an advice from you? Your mentality is backwards.
See, Adudu does not even love you. He will never be yours. The earlier you wake up to reality, the better for you, my dear friend. Oh, wait now, you can't wait.
Good day, Father.
So?
You needed to see how your son forced some senses into the dumb head of the herdsmen. Father, they were willing to allow their cattle to stray. By now, Father, we would have been counting our losses.
So?
Uh-huh.
The girl.
What girl?
He sure so help you to force some senses into the dumb heads. Seems to me that you caught two birds using one stone. Huh? That makes me proud. That makes me proud.
Father, did you follow me?
I did. I did.
You. Come on. Don't do that, touch him. Don't do that. Is it not good enough that you have found yourself a wife? But taking her to the forest, to the farm is foolish. At least, you'll no longer be alone.
Father, who had talked about a bride?
How did you tell me now? Did I hear you well? Who is she? Wow, Father, this will be the last trip for me, right? Please, now, how did you come? Is it true? Where can I meet her? Where is she from?
Come. Do I know her father? Is he an honorable man?
Father, please, can we just leave all this question and answer and just do the necessary right so we can have a new mother in this home? We need a new mother now.
All right. You have my support.
Yes!
100%.
Is this for real, Father?
I didn't look at.
Thank you.
Don't worry, I'll give you the head of the meat today.
At least first
I'll
time
give you the
in
head of the
history.
meat.
We are now a broadcast, the most wisest person on this. Who is in this place? I don't know this place.
Who is shouting like that?
Are you greater than me?
What are you doing here?
Are you can't you see what beers all over me? Have you greater than me? I came to deliver a message to you in particular. It's now that I decided to climb an miracle tree. Can you hear me? The first of all, God, that is now speaking. I said, if you like, listen.
My friend, leave this place!
You don't listen. I'm not your mate. Even your father.
I said, leave this place. What's up with you?
Respect. It's obvious.
Oh, God.
Here. Very drunk.
I don't do. This man is dating. Can you imagine?
Please. You are beginning to irritate me now, please.
I'm sorry.
Mirana, wait for me now. Mirana, wait for me now. Huh? Are you still angry with me?
No, I'm not angry.
Then why didn't you come look for me like you always do?
See, the only reason I'm still talking to you is because I need someone to keep me company.
Just say that you miss me.
Miss who? I didn't miss you.
Next I forget, at this stage, every woman for herself.
Oh, really?
Yes.
You're not serious.
I am very, very serious.
But I don't understand. I already told you that the only family I have are distant relatives from a far village.
See, my father, brother, sister are in the know.
Yet they approved of it.
Yes. You're so beautiful.
Come on, good Joe. You would never change.
Why will I change? Because Adudu, your brother, is married to the love of his life. You now expect me to go and marry him.
But you of all people should know that boys will always be boys.
So, Disney, what's our neighbor do?
Oh my God. You mean my bride?
Tell me, Joe. Has she settled in? Has she
Rosa, stop it. Don't be silly.
No, I don't like it.
Over what? Look, of course no. But on a more serious note right now, she's settling quickly. And right now, I hardly miss my mother.
Because she's the mother?
Of course she is. You know why? Because she does the dishes, fetches water, does laundry, and she do practically everything in the house.
That's rather too servitude.
No, that is motherly, my friend.
Motherly, my foot. My sister, let me just give you good advice.
Okay.
You better be at watch. Because even the goat bite when it's being pushed to the wall.
Rosa, do you know what? You're becoming something I don't know anymore.
Like what now?
Oh, tell me, are you
jealous? What's that?
I sense
Please
jealousy.
stop it, Joe. Because I'm even sitting here with you. I'm going.
There is bright. It's bright and fair. Happy day. The day of joy. The day is bright. It's bright and fair. The day of joy. The day is bright. Johnson. Today is the judgment day. Today. You can't escape it. Today. Today is the day of joy. The happy day. Oh my God. You don't know your talk. You don't cannot fall down. I'm just performing. I can never fall down. You don't know, I'm just performing. I'm a star boy. The day of joy. The day of joy.
You cannot plant maize and harvest yam. It is not possible. You not fit do good and expect bad. It is not possible. If you do good, now good things go follow you. If you do bad, brother, now bad things go follow you. Cause what you sow, the same you go reap.
Where's Adudu? Adudu!
So nice.
Welcome from where? Why didn't you go to the farm with us? Why?
Sorry, I made him stay behind.
You!
I didn't want to be left alone in the house.
But you were supposed to go too.
Oh, I didn't feel like it today. Any problem?
At least you would have done the dishes. Look at, see how the whole company is dirty and unkept.
That's like a whole 9 years. You should try it sometimes.
Linda.
I can slap you again.
What? How dare you? You witch!
You never told me you've been admiring me all this while.
Wow. Who will see a beautiful girl like you and not admire her?
So you've been pretending.
You know you're beautiful, you know?
Would you like to see what's in the inside?
Inside? Yes, yes.
You're a spoiled child.
Really?
Witch? Is that what you called me?
You called me a witch?
Come here! Come here!
When the cat paroles, all rats disappear.
Are you out of your mind? Are you mad? Are you demented? Don't you have sense of decency? Don't you have regard for elders? You slap my sons in my presence? Hey? Now listen to me. Beg your husband now. Apologize to him before I rain a curse on you.
Oh my God! Look who's talking. Old fool. You're not even good on bed. You're just a raga. Brother, you shouldn't be doing this yourself. Let me help you.
Easy.
Older the wine, worst it tastes. Exactly your case.
What? Are you mad? Have you gone insane or something? Linda, my God, look, your charm or spell can only be effective on men, obviously not on me. Then let me warn you, let today be the first and the last day you will ever lay your filthy hands on my brother or stand here to insult my father. When did you allow the demons into your head?
Since the day you let them into yours. Wait. My eyes. Please remove this from my eyes. Now you remember, I suppose. Now listen up, all of you. I guess I have your full attention. You, and you. From now henceforth, I, Linda, I am the mother of this house. I call the shot and no one else knows. Understood? Of course, I wasn't expecting an answer because I know you've all gone deaf and dumb. Anyways, like I said earlier, I call the shot in this house. No one else. No one else does. Or channels.
Father, can you hear that?
You cannot plant maize and harvest yam. It is not possible. You know fit do good and expect bad. It is not possible. If you do good,
Father, what are we waiting for? Let's start going.
Let your brother go. Let your brother go.
bad things will follow you. Cause what you sow, the same you reap.
Okay.
And what's going on here? What are this for?
Let's be going.
Going where? We are going to the
To the farm.
Not too fast, my dear lover. There will be no farm today.
Why?
You mean we can all rest at home today? But we have a lot to be done in the farm.
No one is resting. Who says anybody is resting? There are plenty of works to be done around
Okay,
here.
okay. Let Bena stay. While we go.
I think Father is right.
No! Only I, Linda, has the power to say that.
Hey.
Drop those things. Oh yeah, give it to me. Give it to me!
Hey!
My love, now tell each and every one of them what they should do today. And
you know fit do good and expect bad. It is not possible. If you do
Didn't I say that this lady must be a white witch?
If you do bad,
I think so.
bad things will follow you. Cause what you sow,
Johnson.
Now give us. Now what are you waiting for?
The good is good, the bad is bad. God is good, God cannot be a man. The good is good, yeah. The bad is bad. God is good, God cannot be a man.
you know you can be a good boy sometimes, right?
Yeah, definitely. Michael, you've always been loyal and obedient child.
That's how it's supposed to be actually.
But the strike you impose on us has destroyed our farm project. See, trust me, we will not have food to eat. So, you should reconsider your stand. Please. Losing your power a bit, and I know it will be good for us.
Nonsense. Nonsense. Who are you to question me? Who are you to question my authority? You're all full of shit. I'm also full of shit, my lord. If it's no you mean, then why didn't you call me the pet name you promised me?
My queen.
Now smile. Smile.
Do you believe me when I say Ogogoro na my love, yeah? I don't go be sleep without Ogogoro. Ogogoro na my love, yeah. Sometimes I think how I take fall in love with Ogogoro. Oh, Nambo. Hey, Ogogoro, where you die, now there I die. Where you sleep, now there I sleep. Do you believe me when I say, oh my God, Ogogoro na my love, yeah?
You cannot cannot plant maize and harvest yam. It is not possible. You know fit do good and expect bad. It is not possible. If you do good, now good things go follow you. If you do bad, brother, now bad things go follow you. Cause what you sow, the same you go reap. Waiting you sow, Benny, now the same you go reap. The good is good, the bad is bad. God is good, God cannot be a man. The good is good, yeah. The bad is bad. God is good, God cannot be a man.
Here. Wonder shall never end.
What is the matter again this time?
You have eyes, yes you cannot see. Pictures paint 1,000 words. Is it today?
I never heard of it though.
That family did bite more than they can chew. I pity for them.
That angel turned into a witch of a woman they call bride is responsible.
Who else would turn a father-in-law into a household? I remember how my father and the elders insisted that the family be known before the marriage, but they objected at the top of the heart. This is not the case of adding insult to injury.
Here, God forbid.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Uncle.
Jacob, it's you. You're welcome.
Uncle, why will an elderly man like you be breaking beans in his own house?
Oh, this. I'm just trying to make the house look like a paradise for us, and then to make it more habitable.
Uncle, you see, prioritizing is a virtue that I understand. But this, I don't.
I don't understand you.
It is not a matter of that. See, a house is not a home or a paradise if her barns are empty. Uncle, you are unarguably the king of farmers in this village. Everybody knows that. But I don't understand what is going on. What is happening?
You see, stop beating about the bush. I don't really understand what you're saying.
No, Uncle. I took my time to go around your farms just to ascertain the veracity of gossip and whispers that are going around the village. Uncle, what is happening? What is going on? What is wrong with you?
You are the one wrong with him. You're the one wrong with him.
Uncle?
Just look how miserable you're looking. Wise man. Personal advisor. Wait, what makes you think you have sense? Is it because of this bush you're carrying on your head?
Uncle!
Calm down! Wait, this is because you're not carrying bush on your head. You think you have sense? Who even told you need your counsel? Or do you?
I know.
So? Uncle? What are you still doing here?
Jacob, see, you can go. Just go.
Uncle, I should leave your house.
I said go.
Uncle, it's me, Jacob, your nephew. I should leave your house.
Go now.
Uncle, this woman has put wool all over your eyes. You're asking me out of your house.
Oh yeah?
I should go.
Come.
Woman, I should go.
I say you should go.
Go.
Oh, you're still waiting. Dikeh, but have I not warned you? Have I not warned you that visitors and gossips are not allowed in this house? Now listen. Next time, let this be the last time. Let this be the last time. house. You know what I can do?
I know.
You know what I can do, right?
I know.
Look, I will just strangle you. I will strangle you. Don't say I don't want you.
Oh. Yeah, why do you show?
Bena, you may run, but you can't run from me forever. You have to listen to me. This is not your house. Why are you scared? She's not anywhere close to this place.
Rosa, I swear I don't know. That devil could be anywhere around and you never can tell.
Fear not, my friend. This Linda, she's such a pain in the neck, isn't she? Do you want to do something about it?
I can't. Honestly, I can't.
You know, all I need from you now is boldness, trust, and confidence. Are you ready to do this?
I think I can give it a try.
Alright.
It will work out.
Trust me.
Lena, come back here. What's in that dish?
Yam and palm oil.
I don't remember asking you to cook yam and family today.
You are right, Belinda. I just wanted to surprise you. This is one of the few little things I can do for my people.
Lena, can you give you the first bite? Come. Taste it. Did I scare you?
Rosa, I'm confused. And that's why I strongly believe she didn't do any juju.
No. Can you be this sure?
Look, if she did, I had known.
Did she eat it?
She did.
I just have a bad feeling about that girl. Seriously. There's something not ordinary about her.
Look, I think she's ordinary. She's just being mean and heartless.
Is there something you're not telling me?
I don't understand.
I think I have a plan.
You do?
Yes, I have a plan.
What's the plan?
Don't worry. If you're sure that her distant relative came from here, I think we're making a good step. You know what? We just walk down the village square like normal village girls. Enjoy the sunshine. Are you sure we are at the right place?
How would you say that?
Look around now, I'm not insane.
So it is I who is insane, right?
You didn't say that though.
So what are you implying?
Why are you shouting now? Why are you raising your voice?
I'm not raising my voice. Look, I'm tired.
This whole thing is not going to work. Let's just go back home.
I'm tired.
We've been walking since, climbing hills and mountains, crossing so many rivers. My father and brothers should be looking for me by now. And dinner's supposed to be served. Here I am doing what they should be doing as men. And you're still telling me to continue to wear. I'm tired.
Please, come on. They are continuing this journey. The space she has on you is not as much as theirs. You are the one that's supposed to fight this battle for them now. You're just a woman just like her. So the spell will not be on you like them. See, you are the only one that can fight this battle. Let's be going.
Rosa, I don't even know why you come back to this village.
Hey, make sure you pick those things you're picking well. You should know I don't like lazy people by now. You should know. Pick that thing fast now. Be fast about that thing now. Hey, ha, Dana, where the hell have you been?
Mother. Cheers.
Dana, I asked you a question. Where have you been? Where the hell have you been? The family has been incomplete without you. Dana! I don't want to believe that truancy is becoming your newfound habit. Don't let your friend be mistake for you. Else! Husband, you may want to take over from them.
Bena, you must not tell anybody. I mean anybody of this adventure. Not even your father.
Don't worry, okay? We'll get over it soon, I swear. It's just a phase. We'll get over it soon.
This is what we'll be passing through.
It's okay now. It's okay.
Use your tongue. Count your teeth. Your days are numbered.
What kind of a dream is this? At this ungodly hour?
My love, I never be slept with my tomorrow. I can't concentrate here. Will you believe me when I say, however, now my love here. I smell evil. Evil! Princess Linda.
Hey! I know who you are.
Linda Tomatoes.
Don't stay away from my path. I will destroy you. I will destroy you. Stay away from my path. I am a beast. Push me to the wall.
Do you believe me when I say?
You cannot plant maize and harvest yam. It is not possible. You know fit do good and expect bad. It is not possible. If you do good, now good things go follow you. If you do bad, brother, now bad things go follow you. Cause what you sow, the same you go reap. Waiting you sow, Benny, now the same you go reap. The good is good, the bad is bad. God is good, God cannot be a man. The good is good, yeah. The bad is bad. God is good, God cannot be a man.
I know that man.
What man?
That man, the one walking the night. Yes, I've seen his face now. He's one of her relatives. I said the man there is one of her relatives. Are you sure? Just believe me now.
Oh, don't rush me. Just move slowly. And please, I'm begging you, please, don't interrupt me. Keep me very good.
Are you alright? What is the problem? Hmm? What is the problem? Huh?
I'm very sorry about what Miranda did to you the other day at the well. She has been in her room crying all day. She has realized her mistake. She's truly sorry. And I'm here to apologize on behalf of her.
It's not that I can't accept her back, but it's too late. I have found another love, and I will be getting married tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes.
Miranda has finally lost it.
I'm so sorry about
What
that.
pride has cost her.
I'm sorry about that.
Rosa, what if he dies?
He won't die. It's just a mild hit.
Come. Is this what you went to the city to learn?
Drastic time for drastic measures. Hey! Wake up, wake up, wake up!
You are slapping him. Rosa, stop now. You are slapping him. Please, stop.
Now listen. If you cooperate with us, we won't hurt you. Okay? Have you seen this face before? See, she has seen you before, which means you know her. So now, tell us the truth, and nothing but the truth. Do you remember your distant relatives? The one you attended her wedding? Tell us the truth. What's your relationship with her?
I trust you, okay? And I don't like betrayals, okay? Listen, you are my neighbor from a far village. Do you understand, right? Fine and pay the rest, okay? No one is together.
Okay. Now, are you ready to talk? Hmm? I'll make this easy for you. Who are you really to her?
Is there any problem?
Not really. But that's if you are willing to tell us the truth about your relationship.
Will you let me go, please? She only paid me to stand up for her.
And other relatives?
I paid them too.
Jeez. I understand what you're trying to say.
Where exactly is she from?
She said, but she later said it's a lie. But her accent suggested it as well.
Would this be deliberate not to leave any clue behind? What's her name?
Linda Katu. I am only a lonely herbalist who met her in the bush.
Where exactly is she from?
The only people bearing such names are the Bagis across the river. Please. Please. I don't want any problem. I can return the money if that is what you want.
Sorry.
Walk fast now. Come, Joe. Last night you'll be the one that will be happy after we discover this truth now. We're almost there now. See now, we're almost there. Let's just go. Don't like this one. Let's go.
For like how many hours now? One join.
Thank you, bro. Mama? Mama?
Linda. Linda. Linda.
It's not Linda, Mama.
Who are you? Her friends? I told her not to go. I told her not to do it. I warned her. But she wouldn't listen to me, her mother. She didn't listen to me.
Mama, your dear Linda is fine.
My Linda is fine. Where? Where?
Mama, would you like to see her again?
Hey! I will do anything. I will give anything just to behold her face once again. Where is she? Where is she? Take me to her, please.
Mama, if that's the case, I think we have the answer to what you seek.
My Linda is alive. You mean my own Linda is alive? Hey! I told them she would. Oh. My poor child. My daughter. Yes. Come, my daughters. I want to show you something.
Where?
I want to show you something at the back of the house. Here. This is where she used to come whenever her father's death overwhelmed her. But you have to go now. If the village demons find you here, the three of us have to go. Go. Where my daughter went? Where did she go? How could a dying mother knows what is not visible to the eyes? I don't know.
Mama. We know where your daughter is.
Yes, Mama. We will show you if you follow us.
Yes, I will. I swear, I will. But that is, if it's true.
It's true, Mama.
I swear it is true.
I'm not that I'm the wisest person in this community. I'm the wisest person in this community. Very intelligent. Very soon I'll travel out. Yeah, he's calling me, but I'm not picking his call because he can't find me dollars. Imagine me, you're talking to this little idiot. You think I'm drunk? You think I'm drunk? Anyway, let me piss. I want to piss. Me. Man, I'm making sense. But I said you're always a drunkard. But I will know that I'm not a drunkard. It's your father that is a drunkard. I think I'm a drunkard. They will know he's a drunkard. It's your father that is a drunkard.
Linda!
To me, the next time I will see you anywhere around any of my land, I tell you the truth, even your enemy will be sorry for you.
Johnson, I know that I am owing you 100 times of what this land is worth, but I know I will pay you. He who goes to equity must go in clean hands. He must go with...
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! The next time it will happen, I tell you the truth, the hair's wrath will be your blessing. I warned you the last time.
Johnson! Johnson! I'm respecting you. If not, I will just give this man a piece of my mouth. Listen to me. Be careful, woman. Be careful. Watch your tongue. This is my land.
Mama, this is your land, and you can't defend your land.
Mama, is okay.
You can't defend. You can't even fight a man, your fellow man. You can't even defend your land.
Forget that mad dog. Mad dog. Forget him.
Hi.
Mama, let's go, please. Please, I'm leaving this place.
You cannot plant maize and harvest too good. Now good things go follow you. If you do bad, brother, now bad things go follow you. Cause what you sow, the same you go reap. Waiting you sow, Benny, now the same you go reap. The good is good, the bad is bad. God is good, God cannot be a man. The good is good, yeah. The bad is bad. God is good, God cannot be a man.
He's dead.
Mama, you mean they can't get justice for Papa?
There is no evidence. They said there is no evidence, Linda.
Mama, but that man threatening Papa now. He threatened Papa.
Who will help this widow and her child? I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, my dear daughter. I believe this will not last forever. This hunger will not kill us.
Wait, is this a life? Is it even worth living? No hope, no love, no help, no justice. Mama,
you still have me. Linda, you still have me.
I'm so sorry. I really meant to do this. Mama, forgive me. This one is just too cruel. I'll wait for you. My father is Mama.
Linda! 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 Ah! Somebody! Linda! 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 Ah! Linda! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Ah! Somebody help me! Linda! Mercy! Ah! Linda!
James.
Hey, Dana, your brother married an angry ghost. Hey! What will I say and do? What the man said, that's what he will reap. Never wait now.
Waiting you so Benny na the same you go lipo. The good is good, the bad is bad. God is good, God cannot be a man. The good is good, yeah. The bad is bad. God is good, God cannot be a man. You cannot plant maize and harvest yam. It is not possible. You not fit do good and expect bad. It is not possible. If you do good, now good things go follow you. If you do bad, brother, now bad things go follow you. Cause what you sow, this time you go reap. Waiting you sow, bending at this time you go reap. The good is good, the bad is bad. God is good, God cannot be a man. The good is good, yeah. The bad is bad. God is good, God cannot be a man. What you sow, this time you go reap. Waiting you sow, bending at this time you go reap. The good is good, the bad is bad. God is good, God cannot be a man. The good is good, yeah. The bad is bad. God is good, God cannot be a man. God is good, God cannot be a man. The good is good, yeah. The bad is bad. God is good.